Always a challenge flying out there these days. I feel like I've made the flight when I get in the seat of the airplane. All right, here we go with another kind of soggy evening, at least to start. There are a few showers popping up. We had earlier storms. Almost all of those are now gone, but just these really light showers around Tradition, into Palm City, and around downtown Stewart, a little farther south along Palm Beach County. The main heart of this storm is just off the coastline. It's weakening, but we're just getting brushed by the western edge of this around Juneau, along, Singer Island now, along PGA Boulevard, and a little cell a little farther south, kind of connected to it, is working its way down Manalapan, Lake Worth Beach, right along US 1. Almost all of the rainfall east of 95 in the Turnpike. The strongest storm is actually northwestern Okeechobee County, and that'll just linger in this area, so it's not going to have any impact even around the lake at this point. And there's a wider view of the Treasure Coast. Really just spotty showers. Earlier storms fired up a little earlier today around the noon hour, and they tapered off. Then we had round 2, which was west of the Turnpike. That was around 2 and 3 in the afternoon. Temperatures are kind of rain cooled in the low and mid 80s. And the timeline for rainfall tomorrow: get out early, try to beat the heat and humidity, get out before noon or 1 p.m. There's a 9:30 in the morning. Looks pretty good. No rain chances are low, but some strong storms possible tomorrow, mainly along the coastline. There's 4:30 in the afternoon. A few rumbles of thunder. Not expecting any severe weather, but we certainly could pick up a flood advisory or two, simply because the ground's now starting to get a little saturated as we continue to collect more rain each afternoon. And the lawn gardens are loving it, but we're going to reach a point here where we just can't handle any more. In the tropics, a little bit of good news. The tropical system in the central Atlantic has dropped in its chances for development down to still a high chance, but 70% now, as it moves across the Atlantic, and eventually now looks like into the Caribbean. Stays as a kind of an open tropical wave or a weak tropical depression as it moves into the Caribbean. That should happen in around 6 to 7 days from now. After that, some of the long range computer models bring it in around the Yucatan, keep it south of Cuba, bring it in around the Yucatan. That would be out 10, 12 days from now, so way out there. And normally this time of year we'll see our tropical development show up around the leewards, off in the central Atlantic, and all the way up the East Coast. Boating, not bad. Get out early, though. West winds 5 to 10, seas about 1 to 2. Your forecast tonight: any showers that are still around, they'll taper off early. 70s for overnight lows. Tomorrow, 90 with morning sun. And then afternoon storms returning about 2 and 3 in the afternoon. Similar weather pattern, but a little more active on Sunday. So plan accordingly. Get out early rather than later. Beat that rainy weather.